Hi guys, so today we'll solve this problem called maximum score after splitting a string. In this problem, we've been given a string S of zeros and ones. Return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings. The score after splitting a substring is the number of zeros in the left substring plus the number of ones in the right substring, right? So in this problem, we've been given an S, right, value. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? And we need to divide it into, like we need to split it into such that, there is a left substring and a right substring which is being formed. So something like this. We need to return the number of possible zeros in the left substring and number of possible ones in the right substring and add them and return the maximum score, right? So here we have zeros is 1 and here we have ones is 4, right? We need to add them, which is 5, and we need to return that, right? And we need to see like what is the maximum possible ones. So maximum possible score that is possible right here. So the approach would be to iterate through the string, right? And keep on like keep a first of all know the number of ones which are in the string, right? So know the number of ones which are in the string, and the second step is just to iterate from left to right, assuming that you are basically creating, or while you're traversing you are creating substrings while you're traversing. So which by that I mean that 0 1 1 0 1. So when you're here, you're actually like dividing this string into two parts. So this is zeros is 1, right? So here the zero count is 1, right? And here the total string count is actually the total one in the string is actually 4, right? So here it's 4, right? So 1 plus 4 is 5, right? So that is the value there. And then when we move to the next one, here 1, right? So actually we're dividing it into like this, the string into two halves, like, so we have here and here. So we have 3 ones here. So I'll just because I've encountered 1 here, so I'll decrease it ones by 1, so which is 3 right now. So I know that in this part zeros is 1 and this part ones is 3, so that is giving us the answer as 4. So yeah, we keep on doing that, and we also keep a result variable, which is actually the maximum, calculating the maximum value of zeros and ones, and keeping a track of that. Let's get to the coding part in order to understand this better. First of all, we need to maintain the count of ones, right? So which is s dot count 1, right? We need to know the number of zeros as well. So count of zeros equal to 0. And answer is basically going to keep a track of count of ones plus count of zeros. Yeah, moving forward, what we'll do is we'll first of all iterate length of s minus 1, because I always need at least one length of string for the right substring to be present, right? So only traversing till length of s minus 1. So I'll have if s of I equal to 1, then I'll actually decrease the count value, right? Else I'll increase the count zeros value, right? That is the idea. And answer will actually keep a track of answer and count ones plus count zeros. And in the end, we just return the answer. Okay, let's run it to see if everything is working fine. Yeah, that works. Cool. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.